Hi, so I'm Payal Kapoor and I'm an interior architect. So we had a house which was built in the 1970s, and the typical alteration addition that needed to get done. There was a paucity of space because we had to utilize a certain area which we had kind of left, and within that capsule we had to install the lift because it's a 4-floor house, so it's ground plus 3. And given the constraints, we went to this company, and we found that the solution given to us with the minimal damage to the structure was possible. So hence we went ahead with them. So as regards the lift, after it's installed, what we found was it's a vacuum lift, and so by the time it kind of pretty safe for the children and for the pets in the house and for the old people who are there. Apart from that, the power consumption that it takes is obviously very minimal and nominal. And over and above that, being transparent, even if you're kind of stuck, if the electricity goes away, you don't really feel claustrophobic, and you kind of don't feel unsafe that you're enclosed in a capsule. You feel you can still be seen, you can still be heard, and you can bang on the door and somebody will be there to open the door. So those are features which I think make a lot of difference and which kind of makes them stand apart.